Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dewitt, local and long-distance movers near me. Our experienced Dewitt local movers are intimately familiar with the streets and neighborhoods of Dewitt, granting us as a unique advantage in navigating the city efficiently. This knowledge lets us plan the best routes and avoid unnecessary delays, ensuring your belongings reach their destination promptly and safely. During local moves, we'll arrive at your doorstep with all the necessary packing materials, carefully wrap and protect your items, and load them with precision onto our well-equipped trucks. Once we reach your new home, our team will swiftly unload and place your belongings according to your preferences. During long-distance moves, our DeWitt long-distance 3 movers meticulously plan the entire route, accounting for any potential challenges that might arise along the way. We carefully secure your items in our state-of-the-art trucks, utilizing advanced packing techniques to safeguard them throughout the journey. Additionally, we provide tracking services so that you can stay informed about the progress of your move. Moreover, we believe that quality moving services shouldn't break the bank. We take pride in offering the best pricing options that align with your budgetary needs without compromising on the excellence of our services. With our DeWitt movers, you can confidently embark on your long-distance journey, knowing your valuables are in capable hands. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our DeWitt moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.